Hello, and welcome to another episode of Timeless Narratives, Tales of Bangster. Bangster is a renowned storyteller whose stories captivate the minds and hearts of his listeners. He often shares insightful tales that offer valuable lessons, and one of his most popular stories is about the power of attention and energy. Once upon a time, there was a wise old man who lived in a village nearby. One day, a young boy approached him and asked, "What is the secret to success and happiness in life?" The old man smiled and replied, "The secret is simple, my child. Where you place your attention is where you place your energy." The boy was confused and asked the old man to explain. The old man told him to come back the next day and he would share a story that would help him understand. The next day, the boy returned and the old man began to tell his story. There was once a man who had two wolves inside him, a good wolf and a bad wolf. The good wolf represented positivity, love, kindness, and joy, while the bad wolf represented negativity, hate, anger, and sadness. The two wolves were constantly fighting inside the man, and one day, he decided to ask a wise man how he could get the two wolves to stop fighting. The wise man told him, "The wolf that wins is the one you feed." The boy was amazed by the story and realized that the old man's message was clear. If he wanted to be successful and happy in life, he needed to focus his attention on positive things and feed his good wolf. He understood that where he placed his attention was where he placed his energy. From that day on, the boy started paying attention to his thoughts and feelings, and he made a conscious effort to focus on the good in every situation. He noticed that his energy level increased and he felt more positive and optimistic about life. The boy realized that the old man's story was not just a tale but a valuable lesson that he would carry with him for the rest of his life. Bangster's story about the power of attention and energy had a profound impact on his listeners, inspiring them to pay attention to their thoughts and feelings and focus on the positive aspects of life. It reminded them that they had the power to choose where they placed their attention and energy, and that it was up to them to feed their good wolf and let it thrive. Hello, and welcome to Timeless Narratives, Tales of Bangster. Cheers and bang pandem.